What's up guys, welcome to another video. Hey, I am Shakib, and in this video I'm going to see how you can create a YouTube thumbnail pop-up video. Let's get start. I open that, double click that, and you can see this is three file. First is automatic link on a specific keyword. Okay, I already make on this project. Okay, you can check on description, and I working on this. Okay, a YouTube thumbnail pop-up video. Okay, I double click, and last one is none is the no code, and I click that, the second one, and this is my setup page I created, and I on this, and after that you can see YouTube thumbnail a pop-up video. Okay, and the about of my code, and explain for each and every code here. Okay, with step by step. Okay, step by step guide, and also the final structure like this, my code. Okay, this code and the CSS code is there. Okay, and the HTML code is there. Okay, I am defined that. Okay, and the JavaScript code is there. Okay, you understand, and you can read the all information is here how I am created. Okay, and what is the about, you can.
This code creates a modal window that displays a YouTube video when a thumbnail is clicked. The modal window has a close button that closes the window when clicked.
You understand what is about. Okay, and the more information you can read that from my GitHub repository. How can my GitHub, how to get my repository, and go to Google Chrome and search Hackway, and enter that. You can see my channel, and my GitHub repository. You can see that here you can see that my GitHub repository, and my channel is here. Okay, and you click the repository, and you can you can see I am always created to a song music player and automatic link. Okay, I make already video on this project. Okay, you can check on description. Also my social media accounts, and okay, you follow on, and I no waste of time, and go on the project. Okay, I get that, I minimize that, and all of the code is giving on my repository. You can check out, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and also follow on my social medias, and GitHub. Please rating, also please rating and star for me. Okay, and minimize that, and minimize, and open on VS Code. You can see and my setup page. Only I am created setup page, and I am not create HTML file, and I create that HTML file index.html file. Okay, and also be boilerplate is created, and I am copy that the code, because the time confusing and video is long, and why I am copy the video is lengthy, and my internet is not sufficient for long video. Okay, and my HTML code, I copy that HTML code to anchor tag, and also I copy JavaScript code, and Control C and Control V. Okay, I am press the shortcut key Control Z for word wrap, in our default in VS Code. Okay, Control S for save, and go on the file folder, and index.html is here. You can see that, and double click that, and you can see the output is here. And I always, if you click the this thumbnail, and the video is pop up. Okay, I played that, the one video. You can see the pop-up, and with cross button is here. You can see that is right side. Okay, I am click on a cross button, and video is gone. And I open, and I explain the code. I am only this code. You can focus on only this code. Okay, only this code, okay. And upper side the code anchor tag is here. This is icon or donate us. Okay, please donate us, and if is code is not working, please comment out. Okay, and QR code is not working, please comment out. And you can see the thumbnail. I create the class thumbnail class, and also I grab on the YouTube ID is video ID is here. Every ID is manually mentioned into the code. Okay, you can add your ID is here and there. Okay, I am check that. Okay, and this is data ID, and it is this is SRC image for the automatic on from YouTube to your video thumbnail is here. Okay, and the data ID is the video working. Okay, I explain, and I create a model container, and is very simple, and add the iframe and close button. Okay, and JavaScript code document query selector thumbnail for thumbnails. You can see class thumbnail, and also model container. Okay, I am created a constant variables, and iframe, video iframe, and close button. Okay, it's very simple. And the thumbnail is for each thumbnail is here, and for each I am apply that, and thumbnail add event listener to click. Okay, and video ID asset thumbnail asset data asset .id. Okay, you automatic grab on ID. Okay, the video ID. Okay, in constant variable, the constant variable, the video ID, and video URL, and then I am add on the video ID. Okay, and iframe the and URL. Okay, and flex. Okay, display flex for center, and some CSS included, and also add the close button. Okay, close button. You can this is a styling for my my code. For image, this is image for my this circle image. Okay, sorry that. And models containers, and you can, I am not a pro, not a expert in CSS. That's why my mistakes is two I am created video iframe is there and there. Okay, the working is proper, and if you please like the video, and thanks for watching. For more updates and be sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and this is circle, and click that and subscribe my YouTube channel. Is subscriber is 219 subscriber, is small subscribers, but I make more videos on this channel, and you can see I am created a web page, our page automatic link on specific word. Okay, you can watch that, and is not views. I am deeply understanding for. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you next video. Okay, bye bye.